My name is Paul. I am 52 and a half years old. This is my bathroom. I like shaving. I polish my shoes until they are very shiny. I am the general manager of Brownings Bank in London. Our slogan is, "Your future is safe with us." I am in charge of millions of pounds. I lend money to people to help them buy houses. This is Mr. Sutton and his wife, Mrs. Sutton. They are married and want to buy a house, but they have a bad credit rating and I cannot lend them money because they might not pay me back. This is Mr. Spencer. He is senior accounts manager. He is my best friend. His secretary is called Elaine. They are having an affair. After work, I go to a pub with my friends. I like talking about finance. I also like football. My favourite team is Manchester United. I like pop music as well. My favourite groups are Simply Red and Genesis. I'm usually very tired after a day in my office. But I can't wait to get back to work tomorrow.